Can you speak up? It's all styrofoamy on my end.
From the people who think kids will buy anything with a movie tie-in comes Cloudy with a Chance of Flavor, the cereal with Flint on it. Just open a box and you'll fill your bowl with anything they can find laying around, including raisins, corn, stickers, socks, gluten-free pasta, cat claw clippings, even this picture frame. Forget hoping for a prize. You'll be hoping for a chance of flavor with Cloudy with a Chance of Flavor. All of the images, none of the flavor. Sold alongside Rice Shreks and Marshmallows.
Try explaining that. Dude, did you crack the Liberty Bell?
Yes. And now it's time for Ask the Celebrity.
Dear Jonas Brothers, how do you guys be so close?
Well, we rehearse together, we go on vacations together, and we're a giant three-headed monster.
Dear Megan Fox, if you weren't an actress, what would you be? I guess I'd be a dentist, because I can always get the voices they
Dear Jake Gyllenhaal, how do you spell your last name? G-Y-L-E... No, wait, G-Y-L-F... No, hang on. Gyllen...